Good morning to my respected principal, sisters, fathers, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am going to say about Gandhi Jayanti. On 2nd October every year we celebrate the birthday of a father of nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi or Bapu. He was the greatest freedom fighter and the greatest leader of India. He was a simple man with great work. He started non-cooperation and non-violence movements to gain freedom from British rule. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year to pay him a tribute and remember his great work for India's independence. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Edwin. I am singing the song. सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हम बुलबुल हंस के ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा. Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. A small paragraph about Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is called Father of Nation. He also called Bapu. He was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial and nationalist and political ethicist who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule and in turn inspired movement to civil rights and freedom across the world. Thank you, ma'am.
I am alive a celebration with 151 greatest freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi assumptions. Gandhi ji, Mahatma Gandhi, Bapu ji, father of nation. He fought for our freedom. He was a great leader. He was a wonderful teacher. He is the role model. Gandhi ji, Mahatma Gandhi, Bapu ji, I love you, Bapu. Thank you, ma'am. I am Salami, about the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader of India. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of the nation or Bapu. He was born on 2nd October 1896 in Porbandar, Gujarat. In his remembrance, this day is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti every year. His father's name was Karamchand. Gandhi's mother's name was Pulti Bai Gandhi. He followed the path of non-violence. He was the leader of Indian Congress. Mahatma Gandhi was shot dead on 31st January 1948. It was a great loss to India and to the world as well as. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I am Shubham and I am singing the song. ये डी हमें आजाद बिना खर्क बिना ढाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल, ये दी हमें आजाद बिना खर्क बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल.
Morning, ma'am. I am going to say a few lines about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born in a Hindu family on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi belonged to a merchant caste family from coastal Gujarat in India. Mahatma Gandhi was the leader of Indian independence movement against the British rule. The title Mahatma was given to him in South Africa in 1914. He returned to India in 1915 and joined the Indian National Congress. He inspired civil rights and freedom movement across the world. Thank you, ma'am.
Second October, Gandhiji's birthday. I am saying the song. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patita Pavan Sitaram 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 Bhaj प्यारे तू सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Lisa. I will say the paragraph of Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of the nation. He was a great freedom fighter. His policy of non-violence played an important role in Indians in freedom. He inspired many civil rights movements in India and across the world.
Hello friends, I am Moima Manju. I will tell one Mahatma Gandhi song. Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapu Ji, the father of the nation. Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapu Ji, the father of the nation. He was a great freedom, he was a great leader, he was a great freedom, he was a great leader, he was a wonderful teacher, he was a role model. Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapu Ji, the father of the nation. Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapu Ji, I love you, Bapu.
Ma'am, Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was the leader of the Indian nationalist movement against British rule and is widely considered the father of his country. His doctrine of non-violent movement to achieve political and social progress has been hugely influential. He was known as Mahatma, that means great soul. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar in Gujarat in a wealthy family. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Kaba, and he was minister there, and his mother's name was Putli Bai. His childhood ambition was to study medicine, but as this was considered beneath his caste, His father persuaded him to study law instead. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Meeta Sardar. I will denotate a song on Gandhiji. Golden dreams of Gandhiji. Golden dreams of Gandhiji. Let's have them all together. Let's have them all together. Thank you, ma'am.
Nation. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter of India. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October in 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was called the father of nation or Bapu. He followed the path of non-violence and simple living to protest against the British rule. He carried out various freedom movements like Satyagraha, Quiet India movement, non-cooperation movement, etc. He was died on 30 January in 1948. It was a great loss to India.
Good morning, ma'am. I am going you to tell about Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is better known as Mahatma Gandhi. He got freedom for us, not thought, not violence. He born 2nd October 1869. His birthday is celebrated all over the India as Gandhi Jayanti, and he called the father of the nation. Bye bye, ma'am, and thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Today I am going to say a speech on Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as the Father of Nation. Was born on October 20, 1869 at a small town in Gujarat. Law trainings of this man took place at the Inner Temple in London. The making of his greatness took place in South Africa. Mahatma Gandhi came back to India in 1915. Mahatma Gandhi struggled very hard for our country. He was a man who gave his whole life to the nation. Thank you.
Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, whom people lovingly called Bapu, is popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi. For his service and sacrifice for our country, he is also called the Father of Nation. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. Due to his untiring efforts, India gained independence from British rule on 15 August 1947.
पंखा छोटा सा और सर पर